What's up guys, Chris here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make use of navigation controllers. Navigation controllers are super important, especially when you have more than one view, because they will make your apps much more user friendly and they will create a nice flow in your app. And I think we should just get started, right? Let's go guys. I will start up by opening up Xcode and hit create new Xcode project. Here I will select single view application and I will just call it navigation controller app, and I will hit create. So here we have our new project, and the first thing I will do is go into the main.storyboard, and as you can see here we have the default view controller which gets generated when we create a new project, and I will delete that. I will then go here to the right side and select navigation controller and drag it out here, just like that. As we can see, we have the navigation controller on the left side, and because we deleted the view controller, the basic view controller, I will have to select this one and hit is initial view controller, which will generate this arrow here. This arrow just means that whenever I compile and run this app, this will be the first view which will get shown in our app. On the right side here we get a table view controller auto generated, and I would like to get rid of that. I will make use of a normal view controller, so I will drag that out here. I will then select the navigation controller and hit Control and click and drag that to the new view here and hit root view controller. As we can see, the new view here is now a part of the navigation controller, and we also see that because it got generated a bar up here. If we select the bar, we can give it a title, for example home. So this can now be our home view, and this is really nice and looks nice, and it helps you a lot of creating a structure in the app. And I will add another view now and a button and put it here right in the middle, and then control click and drag from the button to the new view here and create an action segue of show. And now, as we can see, this new view we just added also got a part of the navigation controller, and we also see that because of the bar up here, and we also got this nice home button here which will take us back to this view whenever we get into this. So I would like to create a little label here and just call it, let's just call it this view, just like that. So if I compile and run the app now, so we will see that we start off in our home view here. If I hit the button, we will go straight to this view, which is this view over here, and we can easily get back to our home view by just pressing the back button here up in the corner. So this creates a really nice flow in our app, and it is super useful and really nice to have when creating apps like this, because it will make it more user friendly and yeah, create a nice flow. So you also have this bar bottom icon where you can put the buttons up here in the corner of the bar. So if we just put something in here, for example a profile, so let's just say this was a social media app, you would be able to have a profile button up here which would take you to the profile whenever you click there. So if I add a new view controller here and click on the profile button, control click and drag to the new view here and create a show action segue, we now have a view which is also connected to our navigation controller, and this is our profile view, or let's just say that. So here we could have, let's just create a label again, but here we could have a profile picture or something like that. And if we compile and run this, we can see that we have 3 views which are nicely connected, and we are able to navigate through the app super easily, and the flow is also nice. So this is how we can make use of navigation controllers, and you can of course use this to for infinite and to create as many views as you want. The smart thing about this is that the navigation controller will hold this all together and yeah, create a nice flow. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, then hit the like button below. If you like the content, then hit the subscribe button. Also for more videos in the future. I post every single week, so stay tuned, guys, and I will see you in the future, guys. Adios.